Ever pondered over where to create your digital ads and how each platform differs? Well, you're not alone. The world of online advertising can seem like a labyrinth, with numerous platforms each offering unique features and benefits. Today we're diving headfirst into this vast ocean to explore three heavyweights of digital advertising. They are Meta ads, Google ads, and Instagram ads. These platforms reign supreme in the digital marketing sphere, each possessing distinct characteristics that make them uniquely suitable for various advertising needs. Let's start with Meta ads. Formerly known as Facebook ads, this platform is a powerhouse in the world of social media advertising. Meta ads allow you to reach a vast audience across several social media platforms, including Facebook and Instagram. They offer a range of targeting options, from demographics and interests to behaviors, making it a versatile choice for marketers. Next on our list is Google Ads. This platform is a titan in the realm of search engine marketing. Google Ads provides access to an extensive network that spans search results, websites, and even YouTube. It's particularly effective if you're looking to drive traffic to your website or online store. Lastly, we have Instagram ads. As a subsidiary of Meta, Instagram ads benefit from the same robust targeting features as Meta ads, but with a focus on visual content. If your brand thrives on visually appealing content, Instagram ads could be your go-to platform. Understanding the differences between these platforms is crucial for digital marketers. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, and knowing which one to use can make or break your advertising efforts. It's about choosing the right tool for the job, and in this case, the job is connecting with your target audience in the most effective way possible. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of these three advertising platforms and how to create effective ads on each. Before we dive into the specifics of each platform, let's take a moment to discuss why running ad campaigns is so crucial in today's digital landscape. You've probably heard the term ad campaign thrown around quite a bit, but what does it really mean? In essence, an ad campaign is a series of advertisements that share a single idea and theme. These campaigns are designed to achieve specific marketing goals such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or boosting sales. Now, why are ad campaigns so important? Let's break it down. Firstly, ad campaigns can significantly boost your brand's visibility. By running ads on platforms like Meta, Google, and Instagram, you can reach a far wider audience than you could through organic methods alone. This increased visibility can help put your brand on the map and attract new customers. Secondly, ad campaigns allow for precise targeting. This means you can ensure your message reaches the right people at the right time. Whether you want to target young fitness enthusiasts in New York or retired gardeners in London, ad campaigns give you the power to reach your ideal audience. Thirdly, running ad campaigns can lead to increased website traffic, more leads, and ultimately more sales. By promoting your products or services through ads, you can encourage potential customers to visit your website, sign up for your newsletter, or even make a purchase. Lastly, ad campaigns provide valuable data and insights. By analyzing the performance of your ads, you can gain a deeper understanding of your audience and their behavior. This information can be incredibly useful in refining your marketing strategy and making informed decisions about future campaigns. So as you can see, running ad campaigns can be a game changer for your business. They can accelerate growth, drive sales, and give you a competitive edge in the marketplace. In the next sections, we'll delve into how you can harness the power of ad campaigns on Meta, Google, and Instagram. So stay tuned. Before we dive into the specifics of Meta ads, let's delve deeper into how running ad campaigns can accelerate growth and sales. As we've discussed, ad campaigns increase brand visibility, which can lead to a larger customer base. They cast a wider net, reaching potential customers you may not have connected with otherwise. It's like shining a spotlight on your brand amidst a sea of competitors. But the power of ad campaigns doesn't stop there. They also allow businesses to reach their target audience more effectively. Remember the example of targeting young fitness enthusiasts in New York or retired gardeners in London? With ad campaigns, you can send your message straight to these specific groups, leading to higher conversion rates. It's like having a GPS that directs your brand message to the right people at the right time. Next, ad campaigns can also help businesses understand their audience better. The valuable data and insights you gain from analyzing your ad performance can help you refine your products and services. It's like having a looking glass that provides a clearer view of your customers' needs and preferences. Additionally, in today's crowded market, standing out is crucial. Ad campaigns can help businesses do just that. They give your brand a unique voice, a unique story, something that differentiates you from the rest. It's like having a unique signature tune that sets you apart from the noise. As you can see, ad campaigns are a powerful tool for growth and sales. They can help you reach your business goals faster and more efficiently. It's like having a secret weapon in your marketing arsenal. So, are you ready to harness the power of ad campaigns for your business growth? Let's dive into our next section, where we'll guide you on how to get started with meta ads. And diving straight into our first platform, meta ads. Now, you might be wondering, what is meta ads? Well, meta ads is a powerful digital advertising platform that enables businesses to reach targeted audiences across the meta platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network. It's like having a megaphone that lets you amplify your message across multiple channels. But instead of shouting into the void, you can narrow down to speak directly to your ideal customers. That's the power of meta ads. It's not just about reaching more people, it's about reaching the right people. So how do you get started with meta ads? The process is quite intuitive and efficient. First things first, you need to set up your Meta Ads Manager account. This is your command center for all things related to meta ads. Here you can create new ad campaigns, manage existing ones, and analyze your ad performance. Once your Ads Manager account is up and running, it's time to create your first ad. You start by selecting your marketing objective, which could be anything from boosting your posts, promoting your page, sending people to your website, or increasing conversions. Next, you define your audience. This is where you get to utilize Meta's powerful targeting tools. You can target based on age, gender, location, interests, and even behaviors. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. Then comes the budget and schedule. How much do you want to spend on your campaign, and for how long? Meta Ads provides flexibility for you to decide based on your marketing goals and budget constraints. Now, on to the fun part, creating the ad itself. You can choose the format of your ad, whether it's a single image, a video, a carousel of images, or a slideshow. Add in your headline text and a call to action button, and voila, your ad is ready to go live. But before you hit that publish button, take a moment to review your ad. Make sure everything is in order, from the spelling to the link URLs. An extra minute spent here can save you from potential headaches down the line. Once you're satisfied, hit publish, and your ad will start reaching your targeted audience. And that's not all. Meta Ads Manager also provides detailed analytics so you can monitor your ad's performance and tweak it for better results. This is where you get to see the magic happen, where your efforts turn into tangible results. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating an ad on Meta Ads. Sure, it might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's as straightforward as it can get. And that's how you create an engaging ad on Meta Ads. Simple, right? Moving on to our second platform, the mighty Google Ads. Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, is the behemoth of online advertising. It's a platform that allows businesses to create ads that appear on Google's search engine results pages. Google Ads is a pay-per-click advertising system, meaning you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. This makes it an efficient and cost-effective way to reach potential customers. But why is Google Ads so important? Well, consider this. Google processes over 3.5 billion searches per day. That's a lot of opportunities for your ad to appear in front of potential customers. Plus, with Google Ads, you can target your ads based on keywords, location, language, and even the time of day. Now let's walk through the process of setting up your campaign on Google Ads. First, sign into your Google Ads account. If you don't have one, don't worry, it's easy to set up. Just visit ads.google.com and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you're logged in, click on the plus button to create a new campaign. Google Ads will then ask you to choose the goal of your campaign. This could be sales, leads, website traffic, product or brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, or app promotion. Choose the goal that aligns with what you want to achieve. Next, select the campaign type. You can choose from search, display, shopping, video, or app. Each type serves a different purpose and will affect where your ads can appear. Now it's time to set your budget. You can choose a daily budget or a campaign total budget. Remember, this is the amount you're willing to spend, not the amount you'll be charged. Google Ads operates on an auction system, so the actual cost might be less. Then select your target audience. You can target based on demographics, interests, or even specific keywords. This helps ensure your ads are shown to people who are most likely to be interested in your product or service. The next step is to create your ad. Write a headline, a description, and include the URL of your website. Make sure your ad is clear, engaging, and compelling. Finally, review your campaign settings. Make sure everything is as you want it to be. Once you're happy with everything, click the Save and Continue button to launch your campaign. And there you have it. You've just set up a campaign on Google Ads. But remember, the work doesn't stop here. It's important to monitor your campaign, adjust as needed, and optimize for better results. There you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up your ad on Google Ads. Last but certainly not least, let's explore Instagram ads. Instagram, as you may know, is a visually driven platform that's part of the Meta family, and it's been winning hearts with its focus on aesthetics and storytelling. Instagram ads are no different. They offer businesses an opportunity to showcase their brand in a visually engaging manner and reach a demographic that values authenticity and creativity. So why do Instagram ads matter? Well, they allow you to tap into a highly engaged user base of over 1 billion people worldwide. It's a platform where users don't just passively scroll, but actively engage with the content. And with the right ad, your brand could be a part of that conversation. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of creating an ad on Instagram. The first step is to define your objective. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or increase conversions? Your objective will guide your ad strategy. Once you've defined your objective, you'll need to select your target audience. Instagram provides detailed targeting options. You can target users based on their location, demographics, interests, behaviors, and even lookalike audiences. Next, it's time to choose your ad format. Instagram offers a variety of formats, each with its unique strengths. You can choose from photo ads, video ads, carousel ads, stories ads, or even explore ads. Your choice should align with your campaign objective and the kind of story you want to tell. Now let's talk about budget. Instagram ads operates on a bidding system, much like its counterparts. You can choose a daily budget or a lifetime budget and select when you want your ad to run. Remember, the more competitive your bid, the more likely your ad will be seen by your target audience. And finally, we come to the most exciting part, creating your ad. This is your chance to shine, to tell your brand story in a way that resonates with your audience. Use high-quality images or videos, compelling captions, and clear call-to-action buttons. Remember, Instagram is a platform that values aesthetics, so make sure your ad is visually appealing. Once your ad is ready, review everything and hit that publish button. From there, Instagram will review your ad, and once approved, it will start appearing in the feeds of your targeted audience. And there you have it. The process of creating an engaging ad on Instagram broken down step by step. It's not just about reaching your audience, but about engaging them, inspiring them, and making them part of your brand story. And voila! You've just learned how to create an appealing ad on Instagram ads. Now that we've covered each platform individually, how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into it. Firstly, Meta Ads, previously known as Facebook Ads, has a comprehensive and vast user base. This platform boasts an impressive 2 billion monthly active users. The strength of Meta Ads is its remarkable targeting capability. You can target your audience based on a multitude of factors such as age, location, and even interests. However, one downside to Meta Ads is that it may require a bit more time to master due to its in-depth features. Next up, we have Google Ads. Google is essentially the king of search engines, handling over 5 billion searches daily. This reach is undeniably a significant advantage. Google Ads are excellent for businesses looking to drive traffic to their websites with a robust system for keyword targeting. However, Google Ads can be quite competitive, and it may be challenging to stand out, especially for smaller businesses or those with a tight budget. Finally, Instagram Ads. Instagram is a platform that thrives on visuals. If your business is visually appealing or if you're targeting a younger audience, Instagram might be your best bet. It offers a variety of ad formats, including stories and carousel ads, giving you flexibility in how you present your brand. However, Instagram's user base is not as diverse as Meta or Google, which can limit your audience reach. So which platform should you choose? Well, it depends on your business and your goals. If you're after a broad and diverse audience, Meta ads might be your go-to. If you're looking to drive website traffic, Google ads could be your best option. And if you want to captivate your audience with stunning visuals, Instagram ads is likely the way to go. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right platform for your specific marketing needs. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action and start creating compelling ads that resonate with your audience. Phew, that was quite a journey through the world of digital advertising, wasn't it? We've covered quite a bit of ground, but let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've learned. First and foremost, we dive deep into the realm of meta ads. We discovered the power of targeted advertising, allowing us to reach our audience on a personal level. We learned how to create ads that resonate, leveraging the extensive user data that Meta provides. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use this data ethically and in a way that truly adds value to your audience's experience. Next, we ventured into the world of Google Ads, the titan of search engine advertising. We explored how to set up campaigns and the importance of keyword optimization. We also learned that Google Ads is not just about search engine results, it also encompasses YouTube, Google Display Network, and more. It's a versatile platform that can cater to a wide range of advertising needs. Then, we navigated the visually appealing universe of Instagram ads. We learned how to use the platform's unique features like stories and IGTV to reach our audience. We saw that Instagram's strength lies in its visual appeal and its ability to connect with a younger demographic, but don't be fooled by its pretty pictures. Instagram is a powerful advertising platform when used correctly. Finally, we compared these platforms. It's crucial to remember that each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, and the right choice depends on your individual requirements. Whether it's the personalization of Meta ads, the versatility of Google Ads, or the visual appeal of Instagram ads, each has a role to play in a comprehensive digital advertising strategy. Remember, the key to successful digital advertising lies in understanding your platform. So choose wisely and happy advertising. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We hope that it has provided you with a deeper understanding of digital advertising and its importance in today's world. In a landscape where online presence is paramount, understanding and leveraging these platforms can be the difference between survival and extinction for your business or project. It's a constant learning process, and we're here to help you navigate it. We hope you'll continue to join us on this journey and that you'll keep checking back on the My Project Paper channel for regular updates and similar content. Your growth and success are important to us, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Remember, the digital world is ever evolving, and so should we. Stay tuned and keep growing with us.